तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना है कि भारत ने मकबूजा कश्मीर में हुर्रियत रहनुमा शब्बीर अहमद शाह, मुसर्रत आलम भाट, आसिया अंदरानी, फहमीदा सूफी समेत 800 से जायद मासूम निहत्ते कश्मीरियों को काले कवानीन के तहत पाबंद सलाल किया हुआ है, जो कि काबिल मुज़म्मत है। इस्लामाबाद में हफ्तावार मीडिया ब्रीफिंग के दौरान तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना था,
Enterprise and Development of the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, also called as the UNCTAD, in Geneva, Switzerland. The Commission on Investment, Enterprise and Development is an important UN forum which brings together the UN member states, investment promotion and technology agencies, the business community, academia and civil society. Also, the 8th round of the strategic dialogue between Pakistan and China was held in Islamabad on 20th November 2017. The Foreign Secretary, Tamina Janjua, led the Pakistani delegation, whilst the Chinese side was headed by the Assistant Minister of Foreign Affairs, Kong Xuanzhu. Comprehensive discussions were held on the entire spectrum of the bilateral relations between Pakistan and China.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ने पाकिस्तान और चीन के तस्वीराती मुज़ाकरात के 8वें दौर पर बात करते हुए कहा,
The Foreign Secretary and the Chinese Assistant Minister also exchanged views on the regional situation in Afghanistan, the US policy in South Asia and the matters relating to the Korean Peninsula. The Foreign Secretary also apprised her counterpart of the dire situation faced by the people of the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir and the ongoing grave human rights violations being committed by India. She expressed the hope that the international community would play its role in urging India to put an end to the blatant human rights violations in IOK. Both sides agreed to further augment cooperation in various multilateral fora, including the United Nations, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and other multilateral organizations.
17 नवंबर 2017 को सीज फायर की खिलाफ वर्जी के हवाले से बात करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना था,
Commissioner was summoned to the Foreign Office on the unprovoked ceasefire violations by the Indian occupation forces on 17 November 2017, resulting in the shahadat of 2 civilians and injuries to 5 others, including 2 women. The deliberate targeting of civilians is indeed deplorable and contrary to human dignity and international human rights and humanitarian laws. The ceasefire violations by India are a threat to regional peace and security and may lead to a strategic miscalculation. The Indian occupation forces, during violent, armed and illegal operations and fake encounters, killed 12 Kashmiri youth, including a 17-year-old student Adil Rashid and Parvez Ahmed Mir in Srinagar, Tral, Hajin, Handwara and Kupwara areas. We condemn this continued ruthless killings by Indian occupation forces in the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
मकबूजा कश्मीर में जारी भारतीय जुल्म बर्बरियत की शदीद अल्फाज में मुज़म्मत करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा डॉक्टर मोहम्मद फैसल का मजीद कहना था,
The Hurriyat leaders, including Shabbir Ahmed Shah, Musarrat Alam Bhat, Asiya Andrabi, Fahmida Sofi, and over 800 innocent defenseless Kashmiris, including aged Hurriyat members, young boys, youth and students, are languishing in different police stations, interrogation centers and in jails of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir and in India. This is highly condemnable. We also strongly condemn the continued terrorization and abuse of innocent Kashmiris by the Indian occupation forces in Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam, Islamabad, Kupwara, Bandipur districts through illegal house searches in day and at night time. We call upon the world human rights defenders to stand up for Kashmiris in the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
यह है खबर का जहां और आप देख रहे हैं TNN TV।